iniwan na isang ngiti ko.
Hawakan mo na!
Ako yung nawawalang ngiti, ibay natin siya rainbow. Tama mo. Akala nila, maliit lang ang Enrile.
But we Enrileños are the living proof that from the beautiful sceneries,
Products, and culture, our town is so much more. This is Enrile. This is our town. Tara na guys, libutin natin ang Enrile. Let's go with the skates. This is the Municipal Hall of Enrile. It was built and inaugurated last July 31, 2015. The root of its construction is that we, Enrileños, deserves only the best in local governance.
ang unang pangalan ng ating bayan ay Cabug. Ito ay isang baryo ng Tuguegarao City. Naihiwalay lang ito noong September 1849 at hango ito ay Pascual Enrile, isang gobernador na Espanyol at siya ang naglunsad ng opisyal na pangalan ng bayan ng Enrile. There was this passage through mountains and serves as a strategic passage during wars.
Ito ay ang Masisirit Pass na kung saan ay galing ito sa salitang Itawes na Masirit, which means narrow or tight. Masisirit Pass.
This is the Sinupac area where our first former president of the Philippines, Emilio Aguinaldo, stayed during the Filipino-American War, and this cross symbolizes it.
We are here in Enrile's biggest inland water reservoir, the Paragi Lake. It actually serves 4 barangays: Limaracuru, Divisoria, Lemu, and Inga. Wow! Ang ganda naman talaga ng simbahan ng Enrile, no?
So MJ, napaka-massive. Alam mo bang gawa yan sa adobe stones at saka ang wall niyan super thick, like 6 feet thick daw. Itayo ang gusaling ito dahil sa pagmamahal, sakripisyo at ingenuity ng bawat Enrileño.
So may gobyernong may puso talaga tayo.
Totoo.
So andito naman po tayo ngayon sa Rizal's Park na kinatatayuan ng Agustin L. Calactao Memorial Building na kung saan nakapaloob Enrile Cultural Center na kauna-unahang museum ng Enrile.
Congratulations sa Enrile dahil this is one of the pioneer out of the how many LGUs guys kayo sa mga una na nakapag-establish ng isang cultural center.
Sabi nga po ng ating Mayor de Senat,
isang squatter pala sa matagal na panahon sa bayan ng Enrile.
but after how many years, this was owned, restored, and renovated by the LGU of Enrile in our present administration. Andito tayo ngayon sa kilalang Old White House Mansion na pagmamayari ni Don Luis Gonzalez. It's a proof na ang products ng Enrile na nakakapag-produce ng mga professionals. Out of 14, 11 na ang napagtapos dahil sa sinanta.
Enrile, this is for you!
Our farmers is the heart of our community for generations, but many young people now unappreciate agriculture because of the city life. As a farmer's daughter, I want to inspire my fellow youths to see farming as a noble calling and to explore entrepreneurship using Enrile's local products. By embracing our heritage and innovating within agriculture, we can create opportunities and to build professional careers rooted in our local traditions, ensuring that Enrile remains a place where dreams are humbly sown and harvested.
Ako po si Police Master Sergeant R.J. Curet.
Policewoman Jean Claire Guya.
Ako po si Fire Officer 2, Anthony Vasquez.
I'm Lizelle R. Nicolas, Teacher 2.
I'm Luzumida T. Madamba, Principal from Liwa Norte and Enrile Cagayan.
Sa pokong anak
Anak ng magsasaka.
For over 175 years, we are the peanut capital of the Philippines, and we are Hola!